If you're short on time and you need a deal toy quick, here's how to order one in under 2 minutes using Altrum's online store. First, click Create Your Own Deal Toy. Choose whichever one you'd like. Check the specifications to make sure that the sizing works. And then you're going to click Customize. This will bring you straight over to our design platform where you can get started right away. As long as you know your deal text, this next part should be super quick. You can begin by uploading any logos that you'll need for the deal text. We highly recommend working with high-resolution logos. If you're unsure if your logos are high resolution or you're not sure how to get high-resolution logos, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and check out the video on that topic. You can use the upload feature and drag the logos directly from your desktop, and then use the text tool to type whatever text you need. You can change the size of the text, the color, the alignment. It's all very user-friendly, so you can create a deal toy very quickly with no issues. Another great feature is when you drag something on the design platform, there is a snap tool that will ensure that everything is perfectly centered. Once you're done adding all of your text and logos, be sure to use the 3D render feature to get a good look at your piece from all different angles. Once you're happy with that, we really recommend saving your design in case you need to make any changes at a later date. And once you save, you can just add to cart, and you have officially created a deal toy in under 2 minutes using Altrum's online store.